Mm. Hello, Ekta ma'am.
Hello, Neelam ji. How are
How are
you?
you? Fine. I'm exceptionally well. How are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm feeling fresh as a daisy. Thank you so much for asking me. And how about you? How was your day?
Yeah, my day was today so not hectic, but I was feeling little bit lousy and slouchy. So that's the reason I today did not bring any topic. So now lead is into your hand. But before jumping into the conversation, give me just little bit introduction about yourself.
Okay. So, yes, my name is Ekta Jain. I hail from Rajasthan. I'm graduate in science. Moreover, I have completed LLB as well as LLM. And as far as my hobbies, I love dancing, listening to music, traveling, and cooking. I have multiple hobbies. And I run my YouTube channel named Simplify English with Ekta Jain. Yes.
Wonderful. In from my side,
So that's
uh,
all.
yeah, very nice to hear. Nice to hear. Very nice introduction. And I am Neelam Dhingra. I am from Delhi. I had done my graduation, post graduation, B.Ed, and now I'm professionally teacher. If I talk about my hobby, I'm an elephant person, avid reader as well, and I'm very always stay ahead to grab new learnings. I'm so curious to learning new things. So, and this is my strength, I can say, and this is my plus point. And I'm YouTuber also. My channel's name is English Journey with Neely, and then usually I upload English content for the English learners. So these days I am trying my hand in share market, share trade.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank thank you. Okay. Now, lead in your hand. I mean to say, come up with any experience of your life which you cherished till now, which is just crisp, even till in your mind.
Okay, okay. Mhm. I recently attended wedding. So,
Okay.
no, means the wedding had a sophisticated like ambience with vibrant decor and a refined atmosphere.
Oh,
So, ambience had a like grand, majestic, and royal. I can't explain. I don't have any words. It was
oh.
best wedding, really.
So host must be opulent and wealthy person, maybe.
Actually, yes, that's the reason. Some people are more affluent and wealthy, and they are interested in splurge money, splurge like in decor and many things. Yes. So yes, ambience was really majestic and marvelous. And if I
Wow.
talk about food, so it was mouth watering and finger licking. It was
Wow.
savory, delectable, scrumptious. My God.
Wow. And how was the decoration? How was decoration?
Decoration, decoration was like elegant, extremely wonderful. I can't imagine, and I have never I've never seen in my life that kind of decoration.
Must be splendid or majestic.
Actually, overall the wedding actually was fascinating and captivating.
Oh.
And like the bride and groom were looking, my God, like celebrities. Their attire, their outfits, designer outfits, and they enjoyed a lot.
And what about the gathering? How was
Yeah,
the gathering?
yes. Every guest was really very happy. Everyone enjoyed a lot because the bride and groom were looking like gorgeous, stunning, and like celebrities. We all were engrossed in all those functions, and nowadays, like haldi function, mehendi function, and lady sangeet. So every time we engross in those events.
Usually, when we usually attend the parties, these wedding parties, and gathering, and the people were so full of the beans, and I can say the energetic, so lively person they are. And whenever we attend the party, usually they are just dancing with DJ, and they are just wandering here and there with full of bean, and with charmful and cheerful.
Yes, every time we were full of energy. We were like,
Did
we
dance?
were full of beans, very
Did you
energetic.
dance? Did you dance?
Of course, I love dancing.
Wow. Yeah, we okay. So okay. So then what you
I'm still cherishing. Actually, I'm still cherishing this party, those events, and I hope to experience such kind of events in my life again.
oh naturally whenever you get any beautiful scene in front of us and in our mind, definitely we want to again want to meet this type of function, and any party, any event we want to be in happen in our life again and again. It's good change when we get tired from the hectic life, then we feel that something special just as a parcel. So I mean, to this type of event always help us to bring our energy again, make us more refreshed and rejuvenate.
It was
Really,
their second wedding, so of course, different kind of weddings we enjoyed a lot. Yes.
very. Because I am also very foodie. To just explain you very nicely that the food is very delectable and sumptuous, gourmet, finger licking. Wow, you relish your food as well. Okay,
Yes.
nice. It's okay. But you just explained so nicely, but I had a bad experience, very terrible experience about like this wedding, about a wedding. You know.
Okay.
Oh, yes, yes, yes,
So
sir.
what is what is Yeah, explain. Yes.
You know, the experience was so bad and terrible. Even though when I now this time I get any invitation card, just the wedding sometime immediately starting flashing in front of my eyes, because I had a party a few day back, wedding party, and it was so terrible, horrible experience just in my mind. You know, my God! And then I was thinking that I would never go any wedding party without judging and without analyze the how it was we would be party for the how would be party. So that's the reason. Few day back there were I got a invitation card. Even though we know that the people they are so wealthy, well off, rich, opulent, affluent person, we are so happy. We were so happy that oh my god, at least we got good invitation. So we would enjoy. Naturally, our family members are so happy, and we purchased a good costume. I brought a western dress in 8 9,000, and every family member so happy, was so happy that everybody wanted to be become a good in personality and the beautification. So that's the reason everybody purchased a good costume and attire for ourselves, for everyone. So what happened? We got then a saloon. You know that Dizira, that everybody judge you. First of all, they judge you tip to toe to head.
Yes.
Everybody, this is the ladies' problem.
Yes.
The ladies' problem. They judge you. First of all, they judge you like toe to tip head. So that's the reason we were so feeling nervousness. We feel nervous, and then we went to the saloon. We groomed ourselves, pampered ourselves, and uh, we like a saloon. One makeup for 25,000, 100, 300, 1 person. We are 4 or 5 ladies. We were, and then my God, it's cost us to 11,000, 12,000. But anyhow, it's not a problem. We were so happy. At least we were going to attending a good party, so we are so happy. But we were nervous because you know that the party was so belonged to the opulent person. So that's the reason we were feeling that at least we should be smart and elegant with the according to the gathering. So anyhow, we went there with full of beans and with energetic way. So when we got off the car, and we headed towards the function, and there was the ambience. First off, we met the ambience. My God, ambience was so boring, so dull, so very and colorless. Anyhow, thought, okay, we moved ahead, and we there was a decoration was okay, and decoration was probably mobbly like this. Okay, we can say okay, the like a fobbly mobbly, and but flowers are fresh. But anyhow, I was thinking that there was missing something. They are still we were feeling that the lake luster and unattractive, inspiring decoration was also there. Anyhow, we told it okay, maybe sometime it's happened. Maybe further we moved, but what would we see what happened. So next we went to inside the function. We entered the as we entered, the everything was looking nice and elegant, no doubt. Then we feel starving and craving for the food. Because anyhow we are go to parlor, and then it took time. So then now this time we were feeling like little bit hungry and little bit uh, feel to have something. So naturally, and the food was so good, nice. No doubt. The aroma was here and there, corner to corner. We are feeling wafting into here and there. The aroma was so good, no doubt. But when we had food, my God, it's lousy food. It's totally tasteless, insipid, blanch,
Same
and
here.
dismal. My God, so tasteless spoon, okay. Then we went towards to click the picture, bride and groom. They were looking so nice, even though their costume were extravagant and costly. I think it goes to legs and arms and legs. And still, we were feeling that their attire and costume was, my God, so expensive. It's like exorbitant, but anyhow we were feeling that there's some lacking elegancy and been something were missing in according their status. They were looking not that like elegant and Vincent and gorgeous, and gathering was sophisticated, but still they are charmless, and they are without lake and without energy. With, they were looking lifeless and just feeling lousy and wandering here and there. Even though there is DJ, but some people were dancing and some people were just wasting here, sitting here and there. And they seems not to be like energetic and agile. It seems not to they are attending the wedding party. They are like they were sitting like they're sitting in the park. So it was bad experience, even though we are so thrilled to have to had this party. But like this experience, I totally felt that further if I got any invitation, first we have to judge should we go there or not. Like this, it's a very terrible and horrible experience for me. But what a drastic change. What a drastic contradiction. Like you attended the party, a good, majestic, splendid party, even though the person is affluent and wealthy, rich. But
Yes.
I had also attended the party, the person is affluent, same. But the arrangement was very lousy and poor.
I
Okay.
think actually, wedding should be joyful and meaningful. rather than unnecessary, like showy. Some families are interested in peacocking, but and guests are not enjoying in those wedding. So I don't means I think that's no point of like this kind of unnecessary expenses or showy or peacocking, right? Means
That's when I
guests
was asking,
happy,
I want
they
to ask
enjoy a
you.
lot.
Mhm.
Means like love, happiness and togetherness matter far more than unnecessary showy, right?
Yeah.
So everyone should be
Yeah.
happy.
That's the reason I just want to about to ask you that what is right approach? What is the right ideal to like one person is pursuing so much money and they are just wasting the money, and other hand the person is who is treating like a miser, and they are parsimony person, stingy person, even though they have money, still they are treating like a stingy and miser, parsimony person. So, like this person, and how we, what we do, what is the right approach to get the right? Because you know that the right approach, like we feel that okay, we add the some a few luxurious element in the party without costing arm and leg. Okay, that's the reason I'm asking you, what should we do? What is the right thing? What is the ideal approach?
I believe, in my opinion, that key lies in the being prudent rather than impulsive.
Impulsive.
Yes,
Yes.
because a wedding should be sophisticated and joyful without being like financially overwhelmed. Why?
Mm.
Like people should learn to strike a balance between like all those things, because some people splurge money left, right and center to keep up with Jonases.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes.
Very,
So
very
some
true.
people splurge excessively, means to peacocking, just to showcase their social status. This is the thing. Or some people like become so frugal, some so stingy, means even they don't think about like though they don't spend money on important on necessary events. So some people become so stingy.
Yeah, we should strike balance because we should not
Yes.
splurging money, and we should even, but doesn't mean that you are become stingy. And because day is the big, this is the biggest, this day is a big day. Like, and wedding is a big day. It's a red letter day. Okay,
Yes.
it is a memorable day. Everyone should celebrate these days with happiness, joyness, and it doesn't mean we are we have opulent person, still we are treating like a stingy person, parsimony person, and like miser person. So this is not good, na?
No, no, no. Actually, a wedding should be, like meaningful and remarkable. So without costing an arm and leg. Means people should cut their coat according to their clothes.
Mm.
No need to break a bank. No. After all, wedding are about love, happiness, and togetherness, right? If people spend wisely, right, and and they avoid burning a hole in their pocket, so it should be nice. It will be meaningful.
Mm.
That's my
Right, right.
opinion.
Right, that's the thing, na? Because now it was very horrible experience for me, and you attended a good party, very splendid and grand party. So that's the reason, na? People should maintain the level, strike. They should strike the balance, because we should not spend the money, even though we have money, but we should not be not spending the money. If we have money, it doesn't mean we are just for the wasting and waning the money. Why? This is a dissipation. This is like a dissipation, like we are just showing off the money. So why we are showing the money? We can add some users element if we feel that to add the to make the party big and meaningful, joyful. But we should not waste money. If you have money, you can give the money like bride and groom. At least they can invest money in
Ex-
future. This money in the rainy time, they in rainy days, this money will be come in handy to them. So this will be hand money for them. So it's very important. If you have money, give to the bride and groom. It will be good for them. In rainy day, this investment, this money will come to their hands. Like it's helpful and they like good for them. So if that's the reason, and if the person is affluent person and should not be become stingy, where you should spend the money, you should not feel hesitation to spend the money like a big functions, big parties which is associated with our blood and love and affection, where we should not because these memory these wedding days not comes again and again. So it's a red letter day, big day for everyone. So we should celebrate it. If the god grace we have money, it's a good thing, but we should keep very minimum way, like majestic, sophisticated, joyful, but not spuzzling the money. We should not spuzzling the money, and should be it should be in balance, right? Okay.
but
Yeah.
actually, social media is a double-edged sword. Many
Yeah.
to keep up with Jonas's comparison is always there. That's why
Right.
nowadays means many families are more interested in like peacocking. Okay, means then celebrating genuine happiness. No, only
Mm.
they are showing off and they splurge an extravagant decor, designer outfits and luxurious venues, so merely to just attract others or impress society, maybe.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. But because
Boy,
of this,
that's the
because
reason.
yeah, because of these thing, na, some poor people feel get disturbed. They have to they have this sometimes they in debt, because maintaining the social status they have to take the loan. Sometimes they have to take the money on the like we have to borrow the money on investment and installment, we can say, on the installment, yes. So then they feel sometimes they are in debt to maintain this level. It's very difficult for others, the person who had not money, but they have to maintain the status. Now
Ex-
it's very difficult for these people. So we should not go like this. This is in the society to maintain the status. Sometimes they have to cross. They have to cross lots of difficulties while they are getting. They feel that they now their daughter's marriage, they have to maintain the status. Now where from we get the money, where from they get the money, they have to sometimes take loans, sometimes borrow money, say that sometimes they are in debt. It's very it is not good for them. So we should not like we have money and we just showing off, and the social media is like add the fuel in the fire like this time. They are just uploading the clicking picture and all these things, and this immediately attack the other people. And it's okay. Some people can maintain the level, but some people can't able to maintain the level. For them, it is very difficult to think the other people also.
Actually, some families splurge, lavishly, even if it break the bank, as you told.
Mm.
So it's a reality. But later, they will have to repent because those time they don't think about those like luxuries
Yeah.
and like
Mm.
wedding, maybe.
After some time, they feel that we. Uh,
Yes. People go overboard, merely to just impress others or society, but it's not good. If you have, then you can. Don't have, then you don't need to limit to cross your limits, right? Whatever you
mm,
have, you should enjoy with your
mm,
family members, with guests. I believe in those things.
um,
Yes, people can enjoy. If families are so affluent and wealthy, so like designer outfits, sophisticated, ambience, everything, okay, is present. But you if you don't find genuine happiness in those functions, so
Yeah.
really you will not remember those events or functions, right? So
Mm.
actually people want love, happiness and togetherness
Mm.
if we attend any wedding function, any party.
But
We want.
these are today's era. These things is now on the verge of fading away. These things
Yes,
on
yes,
the verge
yes,
of fading away. Everybody after showing off the things and
yes.
attract the peoples, and they sometimes don't feel the love and affection, but they just go for the just show off their wealth and their money and their status, their with the good the commendable with the like say good decoration, attire, costume. There's so many things they're just showing off the every time. So
Even
this
though
is
sometimes it loses its charms also. Gen-
yeah.
yes, but means whenever I attended wedding party, so I enjoyed a lot. I don't have any bad experience really in my
Oh my
life.
God. No, no. I have also, whenever I attended the parties, I never get this kind of the experience. But it is one or two case, not two. Only this is the first case, which is a very bad and horrible. Otherwise, sometimes it's happened. Everything is okay, but food is not good. Food is lousy and dismal and atrocious food. It can be, but everything is in this party which I had attended. That was everything is like bored and uninspiring and unattractive. That's the reason it's just my mind. Otherwise, we usually attended the party. If the decoration is good, the food is nice, food is good, like finger licking and scrumptious food, but decoration will little bit less. Okay, it can be, it happens. Okay, but only this party I had a bad experience. Otherwise,
Actually, actually, families should welcome to everyone, to guests. It is the most important part of any party and an event.
the thing is that the person is so affluent person. So that's the reason we were so flabbergasted and very stunned. What going on here? What was going on? He is a so wealthy person. Why? How there is the service and how the maintenance organization? All this is so poor, so lousy. What was going on? That's the thing. The more was hitting us so in mind. That's the reason. But
Some people,
why?
they
But
don't want to splurge on on even important events also.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
reality. Yes, yes.
There should be a balance.
There
It
should
doesn't
be.
have
Yes.
money. We have money and we are not spending and in the right way. It's not good. And we have money, a lot of money, and we are struggling lavishly. It's not good thing. So we
Actually,
should
some,
try to balance
yes, different kind of
equilibrium.
people. They are different perspectives. Some
Equilibrium.
people are extravagant, like celebrations. Some people believe in saving money rather than spending money on
Yeah.
one occasion. So it's their perspective.
Mm. Yes. Yes. So the converse is very nice, and really we get amused with ourselves, each other's experience.
Feelings.
Really.
Yes.
Really, we are amused. Okay. So now times to wrapping up, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks to
Thank you,
uh,
Neera.